I want to reiterate a point that I've made a few times, and it's one of the most important things I have to do as a data analyst, at least in my opinion. But it's going to be something that's going to come across whether you're a statistician, a data scientist, a business analyst, a project manager, a software developer. You're probably going to have to present. I constantly have meetings at work that I have to talk to a bunch of different types of people. I have to talk to end users, I have to talk to other analysts, I have to talk to my managers. So communication, I need to reiterate and stress that communication is one of the most important skills that you're going to have as any type of analyst or data role. So a little bit of backstory on the presentation I had today. I'm helping build a tool, and I need to display this tool and showcase how it's actually going to help other analysts on the team. So I go into the tool, me and my coworkers, we are presenting, and we need to come up with a use case for these analysts that they would actually use in real life. The goal of this is to show that the tool we're building is useful and that they can use it. So they need to go in, give us feedback, try it out with a specific use case in mind, give us feedback on the tool's ability to answer that question. So you can't just go in and say, yep, here's the tool, here's what it can do. That's not really impactful. If you want them to use it, you should come up with a use case that this specific group of people would actually do. So that's what we did. We defined a specific business problem that they have tried to solve before, or they have solved before, or something similar to what they've done before. And then we went in the tool that we're building and we're like, okay, let's set up the problem. We're looking at blank population with blank issue and living in blank. Okay. So then we go in and we're like, okay, here's this problem set up. Here's how we would do this in this tool. You go through, you select this population, blah, blah, blah. And then if you want to look at this information, you go to this section and you have these different options in this section. But if you want to look at this information, you click this section. But the ultimate goal here with communication is that you need to showcase value. You don't just want to be talking and umming and humming and hawing. You want to display value, and you want to give a sense of specifically what your problem is, or how you're going to help somebody, or give clear answers to a question that you're asked. Partially, that was the reason that I started this YouTube channel. I wanted to work on my communication, and I'm hoping that for people who are watching these videos over and over again, you're seeing my improvement in communication. At least that's what I hope. So ultimately, you're looking to provide value, and you want to get to your point as concisely and as clearly as possible. So you don't want to go on a random tangent that really doesn't mean anything. You want to get bullet points, and if you need more clarification, you can dive in a little bit deeper, but you want to showcase the value up front and then ask for questions and feedback after that.